Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is the first day of April. It's also that of a Sunday. It's also April Fool's Day. It's also Crypto Day. Everything you do within your own risk and own reward. Bitcoin prices, well, I'm going to show without the lines. And price action after falling below the 18 average of lows on the 29th, it has continued to grind its way towards the downside. I don't have a line in at around 6,000, but that is the next area in which I am looking for that of support. Nothing yet to change this trend, and it's got a long ways to go in an attempt to revert it, as it's still decently priced below the 18 lows. And because it's had a couple sideways down, it's not that overextended down like it was a couple days ago. Let's move on to an alternate coin, SLS, SLS, and this thing is moving very interestingly over the last day or such, and overall within its entire time frame. At the middle part of December, price action going from the 180 handle moving up to the 1,200 handle, or about a 7x decent gain, and then a long sideways consolidation, decent down move, and look how much faster these things go up compared to going down. And that's the way the crypto space has been. I have stated that for a while, and I guess I'm going to continue to do so as long as history keeps presenting itself. When we look at this on a 60-minute time frame, after all of this sideways consolidation, there's nothing you can tell here that it's ready to go, but when they're ready to go, they can just go. And we see price action going from the 570 handle up to about 900 on the 10-minute time frame. We can see great day trading opportunities also presenting itself as well. And within the short-term analysis, after the great move goes sideways, it corrects about 61.8% from this high and low approximately. And now it's gotten above the 18. Whether it's going to revert over with the daily chart, if it does, then we can start maybe talking about going up to the 105 handle, or having just a decent 50% plus gain. Verge is next, and on its daily time frame, after finding magnificent support at the 357 key Fibonacci level, the markets have had a nice change in direction, as it's been making this nice little pattern of higher highs and higher lows on the 400-minute time frame, which is almost about a third of a day, but whatever. It's got support that which was found well at about the 26th of March, but from the 27th, the afternoon session, until about yesterday, March 31st in the morning, it stayed within this band. But for about 3 periods, yesterday and into today, it's riding this 18 average of highs very, very nicely as it was, and we see this move up to the previous high. Therefore, any retracements, I'm going to be looking for 570-ish to be support. If, of course, that's what's going to do, but breaking past this resistance field, we know these markets go up a lot faster than they go down. Next key level of support, you could be looking at 850. You could calculate Fibonacci. You got some areas at around 1,000. But as we've seen before, December 13th, this price was 53. And then on, say, December 23rd, it was 1,980. That's pretty much how the crypto game works. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.